In this video, I will show you how to check the warranty on your Samsung phone. To get started, swipe down from the top right corner of your screen. Next, tap on the gear icon located at the top right corner. This will take you into the settings page. Once you're in settings, scroll all the way down until you reach About Phone. Tap on it. Now, locate your IMEI number, specifically, IMEI 1. To copy it, simply tap and hold on that number. This action will copy the IMEI 1 number directly to your clipboard for easy access later. Exit out of the Settings app and open up any web browser of your choice. In the search bar, type in Unlock Boot and hit Go. Once you see the search results appear, tap on the link that says Samsung IMEI Checker. Once you're on Unlock Boot's website, scroll down until you find where it prompts you to enter your IMEI number. Paste your copied IMEI number into this field by tapping and holding until you see Paste, then select it. Before proceeding further, you'll need to complete a CAPTCHA verification. This step ensures that you're not a robot trying to misuse their service. After successfully completing the CAPTCHA, tap on the little arrow icon. The system will process your request, and voila! You'll now see detailed information about your device, including its production date, warranty status, warranty expiration date, and device age. Understanding these details is crucial. If your device is still under warranty, it may cover repairs for manufacturing defects or hardware issues without additional costs. Make sure to keep this information handy if any issues arise with your phone. So that wraps up this tutorial. If you have any questions about this whole process, please let me know in the comments section below. And if this video helped you out, please give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to this channel for more tutorial videos like this one. Thank you so much for watching and have a good day.